Multiple locations in Maharashtra linked to the State Transport Minister Anil Parab were raided this morning by the Enforcement Directorate as part of a money laundering probe relating to alleged irregularities in a land deal. The raid is being conducted at Mr. Parab's residence and 7 other locations after the agency filed a fresh case against the Shiv Sena leader under the criminal sections of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. Mr. Parab is the second Shiv Sena leader to come under the radar of Enforcement Directorate in the last 24 hours after Yashwant Jadhav. 11 newborn babies died in a hospital fire in the western Senegalese city of Tivaouane, the president of the country said late Wednesday. The tragedy occurred at Mame Abdou Aziz Sy Dabakh Hospital in the transport hub of Tivaouane and was reportedly caused by a short circuit. The fire spread really quickly, hence resulting into the casualties. The city's mayor, Demba Diop, said that 3 babies were saved. According to the local media, the Mame Abdou Aziz Sy Dabakh Hospital was newly inaugurated. 3 terrorists affiliated with the Pakistan-based terror outfit Lashkar-e-Taiba were killed in an encounter that broke out in the Kupwara district of Jammu and Kashmir on Thursday morning. The operation was launched after there were reports of an infiltration attempt by terrorists in Jamugund village in Kupwara. The encounter started when the infiltrating terrorists were intercepted by the army and the police. Incriminating materials including arms and ammunition have been recovered from the terrorists and their identity is being ascertained. The Jammu and Kashmir police on Thursday said that 10 persons have been arrested on charges of raising anti-national slogans and pelting stones outside Yasin Malik's residence in protest against the life term awarded to him. Clashes erupted between the protesters and security forces in Maisuma area of Srinagar yesterday when Malik was sentenced to life by a special NIA court in New Delhi in a case related to terrorism and secessionist activities. Most parts of Srinagar observed a shutdown on Wednesday. The police said that 10 persons have been arrested for rioting, anti-national communist sloganeering, hooliganism outside Malik's house on Wednesday.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.